Okay. So, hey, welcome back everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you all are good today. Uh, so this is the video about encryption. How encryption happens. How it secure the data and what services associated with encryption and decryption. And what are the different services available to achieve the encryption and decryption for the data actually, where encryption decryption is required, and a lot of things we are going to discuss in this video. So this video is going to be very interesting. And before going to start this technical session, I would like to mention over here. So if you folks are new, if you want more content, so please go and hit that subscribe button. If you find my videos are helpful, so please go and hit the like button also. If you want to hear any other technical topic from my end, you can write down in the description section also. So this is the video about how different cloud service providers handle encryption and decryptions. What is encryption? What is symmetric encryption? What is asymmetric encryption? What is the plain text or you know the, the encrypted? So these things we are going to discuss in this video. So for this, I have our document ready for discussion. So this is the document I have prepared for all of us, guys. So we are what do we can say, we are using AWS as our cloud backbone. As as the popularity of this service provider is huge, that's why I'm using the AWS cloud service provider widely across my videos, or so I'll definitely cover the other service providers services and their features as well if required. But in most of my videos you will find the contents are from from AWS as my backbone. The cloud service provider is AWS. That's why the topics are coming from there as well. So this is the encryption related video, guys. Also, AWS, a key management service, that is managed service used to create, manage, and control encryption keys in AWS actually. When you create a root key, you encrypt the data, you store the data in your storage related, whatever the storage you have. Basically, in order to make your data secure, you use encryption keys actually. So this is how the encryption is happening here. Let's see how encryption helps you to protect it store the databases. It's data stored in databases that need to be encrypted. Files in S3 buckets, that's also need to be encrypted to make them secure. EBS volumes are sometimes you have to make it encrypted. These volumes are by default encrypted. If you do not you just created most of the data is encrypted in the AWS actually. So security is the key component. Is no need to worry about the security of your data. Secrets and passwords are encrypted. Application data is encrypted. So let's discuss main purpose of AWS KMS actually. AWS KMS is mainly used for encryption, decryption, key management, security compliance. So instead of managing the encryption from your end, you can use AWS manage infrastructure securely for that will eliminate your burden of encryption, performing encryption, like whatever the encryption methods available in the traditional you know uh, term actually you will use there, like uh, you know semantic encryption, asymmetric encryption, that we have MJ5 encryptions, and what are the encryption method available in the use, you will use that. Then we have AES encryptions. These are the encryption methods available in the market. So, types of KMS keys. AWS manages keys automatically created by AWS services. Example, key used by S3, EBS, RDS. So these keys are automatically created. So easy to use, limited customization. Again, you can create your own key, customer managed keys, that's called CMS, created and managed by users. Full control over permissions, rotations, policies, deletions. So this kind of control you can have over your own key if you created it by own. So this is encryption related. How AWS KMS works actually. Users applications sends data to encrypt. AWS KMS uses the encryption key. Data get encrypted. Encrypted data stored inside your database securely. Authorized users or services can decrypt the data actually. So this is the encryption and description, flow inside your cloud service provider actually. So again, another point to discuss over here is important components. Key policy controls who can use key, then AMI policies, grants, key rotations. Then we have AWS services integrated with KMS. What are the services integrated with KMS? Amazon S3, Amazon RDS, Amazon EBS, Lambda, Secrets Manager, Redshifts, DynamoDB, bunch of available services that use encryption and AMS keys actually. Whenever you data that is that's required encryption, that required a security, the service set definitely use the encryption key actually. Another point to discuss over here in AWS, a key is created in specific region. Let's see, you have created a KMS key in US East 1, and that key is belong to that specific region. Actually, you directly encrypt and decrypt resources, databases, uh, S3 bucket storage related stuff, the whatever the things you want to encrypt it, you can use in that specific regions. You can directly use that encryption key in that region actually, in the region you have created, but you cannot directly use the same key in the another region. Let's say you have created the key in US East 1 and you want to use the same key inside the AP South 1, or EU West 1. So that's not going to be work for you actually. So common use cases, encryption is three buckets. Encrypting RDS databases we have already discussed. Protecting secrets, encrypting EBS volumes you have discussed. So this is the the key related video guys. So this is the cloud KMS services a comparison. So I have simplified this topic for all of us guys. So you can definitely you will find we can say a bunch of information available. So different cloud service providers have their KMS keys as well. AWS KMS keys, Azure KMS value, Google Cloud KMS. Main purpose is to encrypt the data, obviously fully managed. Yes, all service providers manage it. Key types: symmetric and asymmetric, symmetric and asymmetric. So this is in other videos. I'll definitely make another videos on encryption and decryption as well. So this was the video about the encryption and what are the services associated with the encryption with the with the key management service actually. So I hope this video was helpful to all the viewers out there. And if you want to hear another topic, if you want me to discuss another topic, you can definitely go and write in the description box. I'll definitely try to make videos on those topics as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. And before leaving these videos, before stop using this video, so please go and subscribe with your YouTube channel. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Bye.